we're at the Diamond and Platinum Party, and it is hot.
Can I take one of these?
Of course it is.
Barely got to see it. So let's see how it is. I left the sun to come to this.
Yeah, we'll go right here.
400 team members working here on board. Can we give them a big round of applause, please? Working all around, working hard to make sure that you don't have to. All right? Now,
Good morning, how are you? You sound happy, how was your cruise? I mean, it's the
Aftermath of the party. The aftermath of that. Where are we going?
We're going to dinner. Don't want to be late. Tonight is formal night, and they'll probably have lobster. Though I'm not going to get it, but they do have lobster. We're not real hungry because we did eat at the Italian restaurant about 1 o'clock, 1:30.
2.
So, well, okay, he said 2. So
Well, we
that's it.
were in our room at 2, but we ate at about 1.
He
She's
said,
right.
no, you said 2
she was
now.
right.
See?
She's right. You never heard that much. All right.
All right, we'll bring you dinner.
We'll see you at dinner.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Oh, what about the menu?
Oh, and here's the menu right here.
Appetizer,
Oh, it's
mushroom soup.
Yeah, it's 3D. Okay.
Times
We've
2.
been on someone Carnival. We didn't have
Terry got
and we went to movies on that
cocktail.
cruise. But I like to watch.
Terry got a super duper large hamburger. No, that's my hand on top of the hamburger. And I got 2 lobsters.
You wait.
Working for the man every night and day. And in every lost one, me never sleeping. I was born, but the way that things might have been. Make a will keep on turning. Proud and we keep on burning. Rolling, rolling, rolling on the river. So rolling, rolling, rolling on the river.
Where are we going?
We're not going. We're here. We're at the Rock Show.
America
We've
Rocks.
got really good seats because we waited in line.
Alright, we'll bring it to you. Right about.
Oh, we can scoot down. Scoot down.
Nope.
cruisers, it's for everybody, okay? Because once again, this is a rock concert, so you got to get yourself prepared, set, and ready by
It looks like him. It's just amazing.
Jet, set, and ready for action here. Thank you so much, boys.
I think you're right.
We're doing the heavy lifting here. Make sure we get her in place. Nice. All right. Boys, do me a favor.
She's real.
Let's get the rock and roll symbols on the hands too, just so we can secure our look.
That's a real girl?
Looks good. Wow, this is like a lifelong version of Joe and Jet. Oh. Rock on. Awesome. Well, this version looks much better than the one over there. Yeah. I like it. Okay, well, if you wanted a chance to take a photo with this Joe and Jet, now's your chance. Take your photos, take your selfies. Check the energy in the room because we want to get you up dancing on your feet, singing, dancing, clapping along because this is a rock concert. We don't like to call it a show.
Out of the comedy show and it was so fun.
Yeah, what was it? What was the other guy? Is that the first guy's name?
Gaines, something Gaines.
Gaines. Oh my gosh,
He
guys.
was hilarious.
Hilarious. So if you're going to Vegas, he's out in Vegas a lot. So.
And I thought the second guy was really funny too.
Yep.
It was a good show.
He was just somebody. I remember the last name, first name, but not the same guy. All right, but anyway, so it's that time.
Ludus was his first name. Like
Yeah.
Ludus.
Yeah,
But they were funny. We had a good time. We had a good dinner. It was
lobster
dress up night. Yeah. And now they're having a lot of parties all around the ship. They're having a white party. They're having all kinds of parties. So we came here where it was quiet.
Yep.
We didn't go get a chocolate martini.
Right, we went back to old school.
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Ice cream is good.
Although I'm not a big fan of the strawberry and chocolate mixed. No.
He got
So-
yogurt. He gets frozen yogurt.
Yeah, I
got
get
ice
yogurt.
cream.
Trying to watch my figure. All right, so anyway, tomorrow, another sea day.
Another sea day. Maybe I'll finish my book.
And then the next day, we are in Celebration Key.
Yeah.
We're
And
just
then
going to lay
that's
on the
where we
beach
get
all
to
day.
go home.
Home. So, all right, so we will talk to you in the morning.
In the morning. Have a good night.
All right? Say bye.
I said bye.
No, you said I'll see you in the morning. Oh, gotta go.
Bye bye.
Bye. Where you going, babe?
Gonna go ride the bicycle.
Oh, okay. There's a weirdo.
Oh, you got me ice cream? What do you mean? Will this work?
So there's your loading zone. Up here. Now if you're going to ride it, you have to have a shirt on, you have to have closed-toed shoes. The seat belts can't touch your skin, but I don't know.
And I think they have turkey on the menu. That's what I'll get. Though I'm not really starving, but I will eat.
Because we ate lunch. We don't usually eat lunch.
We ate lunch about 11:30 or 12.
Yeah. All right.
But that's what you do on a cruise. You eat and eat and eat and eat and eat.
I don't.
Yes.
No, I don't.
No, he don't. He doesn't.
Hold on. I'm going to beat her up real quick.
No, you're not.
All right. We'll see you at dinner. We'll bring you that menu right about.
No.
Hungry. I love fried shrimp. She got a salad. I got
fried, I'm okay.
potato and cheddar soup. And this is dill comfort soup. Terry got the town turkey with those nasty sweet potatoes.
Well, you did too.
I got baked potato and
What's
town
that?
turkey stuffing. Terry got orange sherbet or sorbet, whatever you want to call it, and I got 2 scoops. I only asked for 1.
That I'm not sure.
We're going to Family Feud, and the line is really, really long.
Family
We've heard, but we want to get in there. It's going to be fun. I love it.
And we're making an unscheduled stop,
We are?
dropping somebody off.
Oh, he means the ship is.
Yep.
The ship's going to stop and let some emergency off.
Yep, we
Medical
thought we were going to
emergency.
Nassau, but we're not.
Medical emergency.
All right. Not at all.
They got 2.
Good evening.
Hello. We're at the bar by the Ocean Plaza. We have really good bands. I like it back here. And it's by the ice cream and coffee shop also.
Milkshakes.
Milkshake. So I couldn't get one. The line was so long. The lines on the ship tonight, all the shows,
Still pretty
everything,
long.
the lines are very long.
Yep.
Yes.
All right.
Everything's cool.
A lot of activity.
Yeah.
Sea day.
Yeah.
So that's what happens.
Everybody's out looking for something to do.
All right. Family Feud was fun, but we can't videotape that. Not
No.
allowed. No pictures, no
But
video.
the team won, so that was really cool.
Yep. Anyway, yep, they won the money.
Yeah.
$500, so $100 a piece.
Yeah, that's really cool. They
Yeah.
did good.
All right. So anyway, tomorrow is Celebration Key.
Yep.
We're gonna get off, lay on the beach all day, and that's the last night. Tomorrow night. So then we're back home.
So we've had beautiful
So.
weather. Today's been beautiful. We've had a fun day. Everything was great.
All right.
So
All
we're
right.
ready to close it out
All right. And
with
chocolate martini, baby. Now last night we just got ice cream as usual.
last night we had ice cream because everything was so full again. But tonight we had to get our chicken martini. You know
Yep.
why?
Because they're so good. All right. We will
Cheers.
see you first thing in the morning.
Cheers from Party of Two Cruising.
Yep. All right. See you.
Night.